On your digital animated layout, open your timeline and zoom to page. Select the object you want to animate and go to the Animation tab. Rotate animations are available for intro and outro. Click the rotate icon. You can select an ease type and a tween. Under Rotate From, you can select which way the object will spin. Between 1 and 360 degrees, the object will spin counterclockwise. Between -1 and -360 degrees, the object will spin clockwise. To enable a certain number of rotations, select either 360 or -360 degrees. Then, select a number of rotations. Now, head over to the timeline to decide when the animation will start and how long it will last. Lastly, you can customize this animation on different aspect ratios.